Cape Cod. Jess Thomas over here at Agway of Orleans. Spring has arrived. Electricity is in the air with the desire to get outside in our yards, and we've got so much in store for you this year. And a special announcement we've got a new addition to our Agway family, Priscilla Husband, who we have a long relationship with over the last many years as one of our customers and our favorite customers. And she's going to bring her garden coaching expertise here to Agway, and she'll be here to provide all kinds of great seminars and education to you and to really help make the best of your yard. So we're really excited to have you on board, Priscilla. We've got so much in store.
Thank you so much, Jess. I'm very excited to be on board as well. I've known Agway for many years, and they've contributed to my success as a professional, and I've been gardening for a long time. And in all the gardening I've done, I've learned a lot, and I love sharing what I know. And I'm excited about the platform that Agway's created for both of us to work together to educate the Agway customer, to show them best practices so that they can have really successful gardens, because that's our goal: successful, healthy, beautiful gardens for a long time to come. So I'm very excited to be here. Look for me when you see me at the nursery centers, and let me help you in any way that I can. I'm looking forward to it.
Very exciting. Stay in touch, check your emails, follow us on social. We've got lots coming for you this spring.